Built on Kia's dedicated 400V eGMP platform, the Kia EV4 offers a choice of two battery options, a standard 58.3 kWh battery, light, or long-range 81.4 kWh battery, Wind, GT line. Both battery configurations provide power to a front-mounted 150 kW motor. The front-wheel drive, FWD, EV4 Light and Wind models have an all-electric Kia estimated range one of 235 miles and 330 miles, respectively. To enhance both performance and efficiency, Kia prioritized aerodynamics. Airflow enhancements include a full underbody cover to help the movement of air beneath the vehicle. The result is a drag coefficient as low as 0.23 CD. In terms of DC fast charging too, the EV4 is capable of charging from 10 to 80% charge in an estimated 29 minutes for the 58. 3 kWh, light, battery and 31 minutes for the 81.4 kWh, Wind, GT line, battery. For easy accessibility, the standard NACS charging port is located on the front passenger side. On pavement, the EV4 benefits from advanced chassis engineering aimed at delivering a high level of ride comfort and refinement as well as engaging driving dynamics. The front suspension is defined by an EV-tuned McPherson strut design and the rear suspension is a multilink geometry. Key areas of the vehicle body were stiffened to further enhance the EV4's agility and cornering prowess. Kia's latest iPedal 3.0 System 3 helps drivers to smoothly control the speed of the vehicle and bring it to a complete stop using only the accelerator pedal. This feature works in tandem with EV4's adaptive smart regenerative braking function to help recapture energy otherwise lost when brakes are applied. The iPedal 3.0 system also now works in reverse, and the EV4's iPedal memory function reverts to the last used iPedal setting when the car restarts. The styling and performance upgrades offered by the Nightfall Edition build upon a compelling three-row SUV that artfully blends form, fun, and function. This award-winning SUV continues to be a landmark win for the Kia brand, said Steven Center COO EVP, Kia America, appealing to diverse audiences and offering families the ability to travel in both style and comfort for their everyday needs and adventures in a fully electrified way. Offered on the dual-motor Land AWD trim with 6-passenger and available 7-passenger seating configurations, the EV9 Nightfall Edition features thoughtful use of gloss black, including new exclusive 20-inch gloss black wheels with dark Kia emblem, wrapped in 275/50R-20 all-season tires. The Nightfall also boasts gloss black front grille accents, gloss black skid plates, roof rails, outside mirrors and lower door side sill accents. This look is enhanced by black Kia and EV9 emblems and is also available with a new exterior color, Road Rider Brown. Exclusive to the EV9 Nightfall on the Land AWD trim, Road Rider Brown is an eye-catching earth-tone signature color that underscores the EV9's desire to venture off the beaten path. In addition to its exterior enhancements, the EV9 Nightfall edition comes outfitted with an exclusive black interior color scheme and seating upholstery pattern with genuine seat stitching and black headliner. It comes standard in the 6-passenger configuration with second-row captain's chairs. As a family-friendly, no-cost alternative, the EV9 Nightfall is available with a 60/40 split-fold second-row bench that increases seating capacity to 7. Going beyond visual enhancements, the EV9 Nightfall edition features a standard boost function that increases torque from 443 pound-feet to 516 pound-feet. Along with the 379 horsepower generated from its dual motors, the added torque from boost allows the EV9 Nightfall edition to leap from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.5 seconds too. Drawing from the bold proportions and wide stance of the K4 sedan, the K4 hatchback carved out its own identity with a striking floating roof design that seamlessly extends into the rear hatch. Its fluid, athletic profile enhances its dynamic presence while embodying Kia's opposites united design philosophy. Despite being 11 inches shorter than its counterpart, GT Line is 10.6 inches shorter. The K4 hatchback maintains the sedan's class-leading rear legroom 6 and gains an extra inch of rear headroom, making it a class leader in both areas. Its versatile cargo space further boosts utility with 22.2 cubic feet of room behind the rear seats, expanding to 59.3 cubic feet with the seats folded flat. Carrying over key design elements from the sedan, the K4 hatchback features the vertical LED headlights and taillights inspired by the award-winning EV9. Hidden rear door handles integrated into the C-pillar further accentuate its hatchback proportions, reinforcing its athletic and muscular profile. Adding to its distinct identity, the K4 hatchback is available in an exclusive sparkling yellow exterior color. As with other GT Line and GT Line Turbo models in the Kia lineup, the K4 hatchback GT Line models feature unique design elements that amplify its sporty character, including a 3-spoke steering wheel, paddle shifters, 18-inch alloy wheels, compared to the standard 17-inch alloy wheels, gloss black mirror caps, side sills, and wheel arch moldings. Additionally, the GT Line Turbo gets small cube LED projection headlights, LED fog lights, plus a standard power sunroof and 16-inch front brakes.